Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix important iPhone battery message on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing this type of issue that in your iPhone battery health, you might see an important battery message. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So it might be a network issue, it might be a software glitch, it might be your iPhone setting, or it might help due to your undamaged battery. So the very first thing you can do, you just have to go back, open your settings app here, just go for general and just go for software update. And you have to try to update your software. So if there will be any software issue, it might be fixed in this app. Or you can also try to go back and try to make a force reset with your iPhone. Now to do this, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes really black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to go to your settings app here, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset all settings from the confirmation message pop. It will reset all over your iPhone settings to not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. After that your issue will be fixed if it's your iPhone setting issue. Or if you're still facing the same issues, it might be that your iPhone battery is not original. So you can try to exchange it with an original or a genuine iPhone battery. Or you can also try to contact with Apple support team to get official app. Now to do this, to simply open your Apple support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can also use Apple support app. Select iPhone from here, select more option, select battery, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap on check now. It will check your iPhone battery performance. So here, if you might see that your iPhone battery health is lower than, or your maximum capacity is lower than 80 or 85%, so I recommend you have to try to use or try to exchange with an additional iPhone battery. Then tap on this continue option here, and just tap on this customer help, then tap on cardless. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.